Welcome to this video on simple conversations about sports. Let's dive right in. First, let's talk about how to express your favorite sport. You might say, my favorite sport is basketball. This is a great way to start a conversation. If someone asks you about your favorite sport, you can respond confidently. You could add, I love basketball because it's fast-paced and exciting. Now, let's practice asking someone about their favorite sport. You can say, what's your favorite sport? This question is straightforward and invites the other person to share their interests. If they say, I love soccer, you can follow up with, why do you like soccer? This keeps the conversation flowing and shows you're interested. Next, let's discuss how to talk about playing or practicing a sport. You might say, I play basketball every Saturday. This tells the listener not only what sport you play, but also when you do it. If someone asks you, do you play any sports? You can respond with, yes, I play tennis and I practice twice a week. Now let's practice asking about someone's sports activities. You could ask, when do you play soccer? Or where do you practice? These questions are great for learning more about the other person's interests. If they respond, I play soccer on Sundays at the park, you can say, that sounds fun. I'd love to watch a game sometime. It's also important to share your experiences. For example, you might say, I recently joined a local basketball team, and it's been a great way to meet new people. This not only provides information, but also encourages the other person to share their experiences. Let's recap some key phrases. My favorite sport is, what's your favorite sport? I play every. When do you play? Where do you practice? Remember, the key to a good conversation is to listen and respond. If someone shares something about their sport, ask follow-up questions. This shows you're engaged and interested. Now, let's do a quick interactive practice. I'll say a statement, and you can respond as if we're having a conversation. I'll say, I play baseball on weekends. You can reply with, that's great. How long have you been playing? This kind of back and forth is essential for building a conversation. The more you practice, the more comfortable you'll become. In summary, talking about sports is a fun way to connect with others. Use simple phrases, ask questions, and share your experiences. With practice, you'll be able to engage in conversations about sports with confidence. Keep practicing, and soon you'll be having great conversations in English.